Hello friends, today we will discuss algebra concept for competitive examination. Let's discuss the important formula of algebra. First of all, whenever you see x plus 1 upon x is equals to a in the quotient, then just memorize what I am saying is x square plus 1 upon x square is always equals to a square minus 2. Again, x cube plus 1 upon x cube always equals to a cube minus 3a. Similarly, x minus 1 upon x is equals to under root a square minus 4. When you see x minus 1 upon x is equals to a in the quotient, just memorize x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to a square plus 2, x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equals to a cube plus 3a, and x plus 1 upon x is equals to a square plus 4. Using these formulas, you can find any type of question regarding this format. Now, we will learn second formula. Whenever you see x plus 1 upon x is equals to a1 in the quotient, and you have to find out x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Then there is two methods. The first method is a cube minus 3, and the second method is just split the power of 3 in form of x square plus 1 upon x square, x plus 1 upon x, and you can rewrite this form in this form: a2 into a1 and minus a1. Here a1 is the value of x plus 1 upon x. Here a2 is the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, and you already know the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. I am writing here x square upon 1x upon x square is equals to a square minus 2. Now, similarly, when you have to find out the x power 5 upon 1 upon x ki power 5, just rewrite this power in form of x power 3 plus 1 upon x ki power 3 multiply x square plus 1 upon x square, and rewrite this format in form of a3 into a2 minus a1. Here a1 again is the value of x plus 1 upon x, a2, here a2, the value of a2 will be this a1 square minus 2, and the value of a3 will be a cube minus 3a. Similarly, if someone is saying you have to find out the value of x power 7 plus 1 upon x ki power 7, just write a4 into a3 minus a1. You know the value of a1, that is x plus 1 upon x. You know the value of a3, that is a cube minus 3a, and just find out the value of a4 in similar way. Now we will discuss third formula of algebra. Whenever you find x plus 1 upon x is equals to a in the quotient, and you have to find out x square plus 1 upon x square. You already know the value, that is a square minus 2. Write this value as b. When you have to find the x ki power 4 upon 1 upon x ki power 4, just multiply 2 in the previous part and what you have to write, p square minus 2 will be the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Write this value as a c. Again, when you have to find the value of x to the power 8, 4 into 2, that is 8. And what will be the value? Again, c square minus 2. Write the c square minus 2 as a d. Again, you have to find the value of 8 into 2, 16. X to the power 16 upon 1 upon x to the power 16. What you have to do? Just write d square minus 2 and write this d square minus 2 as e. Similarly, when you have to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, you already know the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube will be is a cube minus 3a. Write this a cube minus 3a as b1. Now you have to find the value of x power 6 plus 1 upon x to the power 6. And what will be the value of this? b1 square minus 2. Write this as a c1. If you have to find the value of x to the power 12 plus 1 upon x to the power 12, and value will be this c1 square minus 2, or you can write as a d1. Similarly, if someone is saying you have to find the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 upon x power 5, you have to write this in form of a3 into a2 minus a1. Write this as b2. Again, someone is saying you have to find the value of x to the power 10 plus 1 upon x to the power 10. What you have to do? p2 square minus 2. Similarly goes on. Please watch our algebra part 2 video to see how to implement these formulas in quotient. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe us.